Ever wondered if your digital assets on Kraken are truly safe from the lurking shadows of the internet? With hacks and phishing attempts becoming increasingly sophisticated, it's a valid concern for anyone navigating the exciting, yet often perilous, world of cryptocurrency. You've put your hard-earned money into Kraken, trusting them with your digital future, but ultimately, a significant portion of your security rests in your own hands. In an age where a single click can compromise your entire portfolio, understanding the nuances of digital self-defense is no longer optional, it's absolutely critical. We're talking about more than just a strong password here. We're delving into a multi-layered approach to security, designed to build a fortress around your Kraken account, making it an uninviting target for even the most determined cybercriminals. So, if you're ready to learn how to actively empower yourself against the digital threats that could jeopardize your crypto journey, stick around. Because today, we're not just talking about prevention, we're talking about proactive protection, about making your Kraken experience as secure as humanly possible. Kraken, to their credit, has built an impressive security infrastructure. They boast a track record of never experiencing a major hack affecting client funds since their inception in 2011. They store over 97% of user funds in cold storage, employ mandatory two-factor authentication, and offer features like a global settings lock and master key. They undergo regular third-party audits and hold certifications like ISO/IEC 27001:2013 and SOC 2 Type 1, proving their commitment to robust security protocols. They even have a dedicated 24/7 anti-fraud team and a bug bounty program to identify and fix vulnerabilities. However, even with Kraken's formidable defenses, the human element remains the most common entry point for attackers. That's where you come in. Let's break down the strategies you need to employ, starting with the absolute fundamentals and progressing to more advanced tactics. The foundation: strong passwords and unique usernames. This might sound like a broken record, but it bears repeating. Your password is your first line of defense. For your Kraken account, this needs to be a truly robust, complex passphrase, not just a word with a number tacked on. Think long, at least 15 characters, and a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. More importantly, never, ever reuse passwords across different platforms. If a hacker gains access to one of your less secure accounts, they'll immediately try those same credentials on your more valuable ones, like Kraken. Imagine the devastating ripple effect of a compromised social media password opening the door to your crypto savings. It happens more often than you think. Similarly, choose a username that isn't easily guessable or linked to your other online identities. The more unique and less personally identifiable, the better. The essential shield: two-factor authentication, 2FA. If passwords are your first line of defense, 2FA is your impenetrable second wall. Kraken mandates 2FA for all major actions, and for good reason. It adds an extra layer of verification beyond just your password, typically requiring a code from a separate device or application. But not all 2FA methods are created equal. Hardware security keys, FIDO2/U2F devices, are the gold standard. Devices like YubiKeys are physical tokens that generate a unique, cryptographically secure code. They are phishing resistant because they verify the website's authenticity before providing the code, making it nearly impossible for a phishing site to trick you. This is by far the most secure 2FA option Kraken offers and should be your top priority. Authenticator apps, like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, are a strong second. These apps generate time-based one-time passwords, TOTP, that refresh every 30 to 60 seconds. While generally secure, be mindful of authenticator apps that use cloud storage, as a compromise of that cloud service could potentially expose your 2FA. Ideally, choose an app that stores keys locally on your device. Avoid SMS 2FA if possible. While better than no 2FA, SMS-based authentication is vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks, where criminals trick your mobile carrier into transferring your phone number to their device, thereby gaining access to your SMS 2FA codes. Kraken explicitly advises against using SMS for email 2FA. Crucially, set up multiple passkeys if Kraken offers them. This provides redundancy and an extra layer of protection. Furthermore, enabling sign-in 2FA often activates Step-Up 2FA, which requires re-entering your sign-in 2FA for any changes to your 2FA settings. This is a critical barrier against attackers trying to disable your security. Your master key, the ultimate backup and account safeguard. Kraken's master key is an often overlooked yet incredibly powerful security feature. Think of it as a super PIN or recovery code that acts as an additional layer of protection, particularly against password resets if your email is compromised, and as a backup for your sign-in 2FA. It is absolutely vital that your master key is set up using a different method from your sign-in 2FA. For instance, if you use a hardware security key for sign-in, use an authenticator app or a different hardware key for your master key. This diversification is crucial. If one method is compromised, the other remains secure. The master key can also be used to immediately turn off the global settings lock, which we'll discuss next. The global settings lock, GSL, freezing out attackers. The global settings lock, GSL, is an excellent feature that prevents changes to your account settings and, most importantly, withdrawal addresses, even if an attacker gains access to your account. Once enabled, any attempt to modify these critical settings will be blocked. This is a powerful deterrent against attackers looking to quickly divert your funds. If you want the flexibility to immediately disable the GSL, you must have your master key set up beforehand. Kraken support cannot speed up GSL removal without it. This time lock gives you a critical window to detect and respond to unauthorized access before any damage is done. Phishing prevention, the human firewall. Phishing remains one of the most prevalent and effective attack vectors. It preys on human error, tricking you into voluntarily handing over your credentials or sensitive information. Here's how to become a human firewall against phishing. Bookmark Kraken's official website. This is non-negotiable. Always navigate to Kraken by using a pre-saved bookmark, not by searching on Google or clicking links in emails. Phishing sites often mimic legitimate login pages with uncanny accuracy, and search engine results can sometimes be manipulated to show malicious links. The official sign-in URL is https://id.kraken.com/sign-in. Verify URLs meticulously. Before entering any credentials, double and triple check the URL in your browser's address bar. Look for https:// and a closed lock icon. Be wary of subtle misspellings, e.g., kraken.co instead of kraken.com, or extra subdomains. If anything looks off, close the tab immediately. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.